I got so
Rock step.
what we did today was rock step and
Crossbody.
crossbody bachata. Thank you. Yes, that's what we will cover today. So I'm gonna cover what we did in the first half. 1, 2, 3, tap. Yes. Follows, no here. Facing each other. So then I go 5, 6. Here I do a rotation. 7, tap. Yes? Then crossbody. 1, 2, 3, 4. So crossbody is like a rock step going straight to the side, not in front. Then I'm bringing the follow back to me. 5, 6, 7 with the turn, placing the hand on the back. Yes, so if I do crossbody from here, 7, 8, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I let go, I trace all the way to the hook. Then I turn my follow. 5, hand on the back. 6, close position. 7, 8. Okay, that was the first sequence. Then we modify it just for the fun of it, right, Jessa? Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 5, 6. Aquí stepping. 7, 8. I look at it on my left side. 1, 2. Switch hands. On 3. Follow. Look at your follow. And then tap. Then sweetheart. 5, 7, 8. Yes? At the beginning, we release the follow. 3, bring the follow back. 7, 8. But then we added more decoration to it. So I'm gonna do it from this side. The whole thing, no talking, counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1. Yes? Yes. Practice, practice.